Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Amirul Zulhilmi bin Zuhairi. My matrix number is 2023 686858. So right now I will present about user interface for my game, which is called Magic of Curse. So I will present to Prof. Matya Dr. Zainuddin bin Ibrahim. Okay, so we go for the next. First one is game synopsis. Welcome to the magic world where magic is real. Aoi, the main character in the game, must embark on an epic journey in a magic world where to be the strongest is the ultimate challenge. As you explore this enchanted realm, learn powerful elemental spells, find a curse item, and upgrade your power level. Our magic power is the lightning ability. However, there are 3 types of lightning ability that he can unlock, but there is something to be done before he can use another type of lightning. So, encounter mythical creatures, explore the world, fight with an enemy guardian of the place to complete the quest. Will you make Aoi as the strongest wizard, or will there be obstacle that troubles you? So basically this game is a magic game, which more like a fantasy game. So next one is game concept. Okay, for the genre, this game is fantasy, magic and adventure. Why? It is because I have a reference from anime and magical game. I like this genre because it is kind of interesting and fun to do. Okay, so for the main character Aoi, he is a wizard. So in the middle one this is the main character. Okay, for the settings, we have magic world because the scene take place in the magic world. Okay, next one is motivation, getting new items, skills, power, as had been read at the synopsis before. This is the game about an adventure, so to get a new item which is his wand, to power up his skill and power up his power. So the main character goal is to become the strongest wizard in this magic world. So for the obstacle, must complete quests to unlock the item and skill. So basically there is a specific requirement to use a new item, but he must complete several quests before he can use it. So for the enemy, basically there is not have like a big boss enemy. Instead of I make it as a curse item, because he need to do something first before he can use the power of the new item that he get. Okay, for next one is, so we go to the user interface. Okay, for the first one, this is title screen. So the title screen consists of the title of the game itself, which is Magic of Curse, and the logo. So for the logo in this middle is the head of main character, which the head and his head lah. Okay. So next, splash art. So for this splash art, I want to make it more like a mysterious and make it more like a dark scene lah. I don't know why, but I think it is more interesting to do it this way. So for the color combination, I choose a dark color which is purple, black, brown. But for the title, I use white color to make it more contrast to the background. Okay, so this is the loading screen. This loading screen is basically the same as the title screen, but there is an indicator of the loading below the title. So we can see the indicator of the loading is increasing time by time to fully complete, then it will go to the next. So the color I choose yellow for the loading indicator because Aoi has a lightning magic ability, which is lightning in anime and game mostly are yellow, so I use that reference for my loading indicator. Okay, so now main menu. So for my main menu, there is a logo of my wizard and the title game Magic of Curse. So below them have play settings and roadmap. So at the left bottom we have exit game. So why I choose to do it like this, because I think it is more simple to do it in the middle instead of doing it on the right or left, because it is easy to the players to find it. Okay, for the next one is settings. So here we can see there are variety type of settings that we can access here. So first one is game, accessibility, audio and controls. So for the audio, the player can adjust the master volume. Second one is music volume for the background music throughout the game. Below that we have SFX volume, and lastly we have voice over volume. So the player can change it however they like. And there is below the bottom there is H button to reset all the settings to default if the player did not happy with their own setting, so they can reset it all again and do it all again. Okay, for the next one, instruction. So the instruction for this game is very simple. I don't want to make it harder. So here we can see an arrow is showing at the mushroom, and below that there is a word saying press F to pick up the mushroom. So the instruction is to tell the player to press the F keycap to pick up the mushroom here or anywhere in this picture. Okay, this is my toolbar. So this is the example of gameplay during the game. So in the left top corner here, for the red one is health bar, and below that it is mana bar. I do that because this is a magic game, right? So magic, instead of using energy, it is using mana for magic. So here we can see the character is slightly walking to the mystery box, and there's a word saying press F to explore the box. Okay, so we go to the scores. So this indicator is shown after the main character go through inside the cave here. So it is show congratulations quest clear. So this is after the main level has been settled here. Okay, for lastly exit menu, quit are you sure you would like to quit, so the player can choose whether they can go back to the game or they can quit the game. So it's up to the player. Overall, I think this is the most simplest way I can do it. So this is all from me. Thank you so much.